You're watching Roboy News, and we have a special guest with us, Roboy himself. Roboy, I heard you learned how to ride a bike. How did you do this?
It all started in October 2018 with a group of students. They used Autodesk Fusion to model me on a rickshaw. Then they exported it to a Casper model. After that, they used kinematic libraries and the geometry of the bike to capture the trajectories of all my joints necessary for riding a bike. They designed controllers for steering and pedaling that make me able to ride my rickshaw at the requested velocity and steering angle.
We heard some rumors that there should be some changes to your nervous system. Is that true?
Yes, that's true. It is planned to integrate time-sensitive networking in my body. The team did some research and was able to get a valuation license for testing it in my motor cortex, also known as the FPI, but they are still working on integrating it.